Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see traffic on your Google Maps app. So if you're visiting a place like London, as you know, London is really filled with traffic and you want to see how much the traffic is going to affect you, then let me show you how to see this on Google Maps. So first you want to go ahead and open up Google Map. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on this layer icon here at the top right. Now from here where it says map details, go ahead and find traffic. So now on the maps, you'll be able to see all the major roads which are colored in green, amber or red. So much like a traffic light system. So it basically represents the amount of traffic, with basically green representing light traffic while red representing heavy traffic. Amber is a level in between, so usually represents high vehicle numbers without a total gridlock. So by taking this information, you'll be able to see or navigate what roads or location you want to visit. So there you go guys, that is how to see traffic on your Google Maps. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.